Hello everyone, this is Divyanshu Rashish from MBA Dual, and today I am going to tell you about the strategic salary structure development, and I am going to explain you what it is and how it is used. So let's begin. So first of all, let's talk about the overview of the company. So this case is based on Nexus Tax Solution, which is a growing SaaS company, and it focuses on providing software services to businesses. The company has around 500 employees and different departments like engineering, sales, HR, and operation. And the goal is to create a fair and competitive salary structure. Now let's talk about the key roles and job analysis. In this step, we identify the important role in the company. For example, software engineer develop and maintain software. Sales executive bring business and manages client, and which is important for the growth of any company. HR manager handle hiring the employee and maintain employee relationship. Product manager manage product strategy and how the product should be sold. Each role have different responsibilities, so salary should also be different, right? Now let's talk about how we evaluate the jobs, or I should say the job evaluation method. And to decide fair salary, we use the point factor methods. This method employ job evaluate job basis on skills, knowledge, responsibility, and the impact the job is going to create. Also the mental and physical effort it requires. Also the working condition, like the person who is doing HR going to have less of a mental and physical effort compared to a person who is going for a sale, because they have to go to different environment, or they have to go different places, so it requires more mental and physical toughness. Based on these factors, each job given a different score. Now let's talk about developing pay grades. After evaluation of jobs are into groups of pay grades, like we are separating them into different groups on different pay grades. Like grade 1 entry level support roles, which require less efforts, or I should say less efforts compared to the other roles. Second, grade 2 professional roles like sales executive, which is a backbone of any company. Third, senior professionals like software engineers who created a tech, who created a software which company using. Fourth grade is management role. This help organize salary in a structured way. And now let's talk about designing salary range. For each grade, we create salary ranges with minimum to midpoint to maximum level. The midpoint represent the average in the market. Like every job have some average salary in the market. Like for a software engineer, it can be 50 to 1 lakh in a market, which every company is paying to their software engineer. But the range allow us to be flexible based on the experience and the performance of our employee, and how much the employee ready to put on a work for a company. Now let's talk about the salary range visualization. This chart shows overlapping salary ranges. It means employee can grow in salary without immediate promotion, or without promotions if they perform well. High performer can earn more within the same level without any promotion, so it gives them the motivation to perform well or improve their performance. Now let's talk about ensuring organizational equity. We focus on two types of fairness. First is internal equity. Employees are paid fairly compared to the others in the company, like they should be paid in a very fair manner. Second, external equity. Salary are competitive with the market. We are not providing under salary, like if a company is providing 50 to 1 lakh, then we are also providing to 50 to 1 lakh to the employee as well, because we are providing salary which is competitive with the market providing to them. This improve trust, motivation, and help to attract the talents, because every company wants the best talent working for them. So that's we are hoping for. Now let's talk about expected strategies benefits. Like This system provides many benefits like attracting top talent, motivate employee to perform better. Also, it helps to retain the employee. Overall, it improves company performance. Now for the key message. A salary structure is just not about pay. It reflects the company strategy, values and culture. Now it's time to end the PPT with the conclusion. This compensation framework is fair, competitive, and scalable. It balances internal fairness and market competitiveness, helping the company to achieve long term growth. Thank you.